Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and today I am bringing you something new. Something new to me. Maybe not new to you, but it's definitely new to me. This is what I'm talking about. These are called AfterShokz with a Z. It says here on the back, wireless bone conduction headphones. Bone conduction? I don't even know what this is, but I knew I had to have it. This is what's on the inside cover. Be open with these weird looking headphones. You see how weird those are looking? Weirdest headphones I've ever seen. And you know what? I'm so excited to try them. I do not do well with in-the-ear headphones. I love my Apple AirPods. They don't work well with my ears. They're always falling out. They're doing all sorts of other stuff. I was talking to the sales guy. He's like, you gotta try these out. They're called AfterShokz. I'm like, what is it? I need to see it. So he showed it to me and he said, nothing goes in your ear. That it projects the sound into your ear and you can hear great. And I'm like, this is new to me. I gotta give it a try. So here we are. Here's the packaging. We're gonna dig into it. And little accessories in this awkward looking pouchy thing. And it says accessories right there. See? Accessories. This is what we got inside. This is kind of like a rubber. It's a little interesting. It comes with all sorts of accessories. I will put the price up right now. Ding! Price. And I will put a link in the description on Amazon where you can purchase this yourself. We've got our micro USB. We got some earbuds, which I don't know what in the world those are for. And we've got a pretty beefy pamphlet here. Let's get to the important stuff and let's open this up. All right. This is what it is. It's what it does. I don't know. What is it gonna do? This is weird, right, guys? Okay. How to set up. Charge the headphones. Pair. Connect. You know me, guys. I'm gonna jump right to pair. Because that's how I roll. We're on our Samsung Galaxy Note 9, so pairing will be super easy as we got our amazing Bluetooth technology built in. Trekz by AfterShokz. It came right up. All right, now, look. Oh my God, that sounded insanely loud. Can you see this? It's not exactly, it's not in my ear. And it's just resting very comfortably on my head. It's like, it's a gentle little hug. I'll be honest with you. It's not a tight little hug. So we're gonna put some music out and we're gonna see what it sounds like. Oh. It's literally vibrating my cheek. It's the weirdest sensation ever. It's like sound is like echoing into my ear. It's not in my ear. So I'm not sure why they come with headphones or with earbuds. Why do I need these? Oh, earplugs. Use the headphones in environments where it's safe to block out ambient noise, such as the train or airplane. So now it's telling me how to put earbuds in. So if I'm understanding this correctly, is if I want to basically activate noise cancellation, they gave me earbuds. So, hey, you want some noise cancellation? Here's some earbuds, buddy. Take it back to the old school, right? You roll it up. You put it in your ear, and because you rolled it up, it re-expands in your ear, and it fits perfect. I know how to use earbuds. You don't gotta tell me. Now it's supposed to basically be like noise cancellation. You want to not hear what's going on? Put in some earbuds. Now I'm yelling. I can still hear. I can still hear these. It's amazing. It's incredible, guys. It's like something completely new. Just when you think you have it all, you've seen it all, you've done it all, AfterShokz shows up, and they bring us this. So I'm super excited to use this in my life tomorrow. So we're going to see what it does and how good it is in real life situations. And then I will bring you a more comprehensive review later. For the love of tech, we are doing another giveaway. That is absolutely right. We are giving stuff away. What are we giving away? I will link the video here in the description if you want to know what we're giving away. But if you don't care what we're giving away and you just want to enter into the giveaway, all you have to do is take this video here, share it on all of your social medias. As you share it, take a screenshot, then send me an email. Multiple screenshots, one email to Aaron, ARON, at the number 4 theloveoftech.com. And then you go in the description of this very here video and you write in Roman numeral expressions 85,362 dash and tell me, what do you think about these? Would you use them? Would you not? Do you think it's like alien technology that we should just throw away? Or do you think that, you know, it's good? Have you used them? Do you have experience? Let me know. I want to hear from you right now. For the love of tech, go in your drawers, go in your closet, go under your bed, go under your sink. Pull out those old electronics that you're hiding, that you're hoarding, that you don't want to share with anybody, but nobody's using them. Dust them off, shine them up, and give them to someone, and put a smile on someone's face. For the love of tech, namaste.